Dear students, in the last class we learnt multiplying larger numbers by two-digit numbers. Today we will solve exercise 6C. In that first one, 4142 into 16. Here we have to multiply 4142 by 16. So first we have to multiply 4142 by 6. 6 to the 12, so I will write 2 here and 1 carry. 6 4 the 24, 24 plus 1 25, so I will write 5 here and 2 carry. 6 1 the 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 6 4 the 24. Before multiplying with the 10th digit of the multiplier, write multiplication sign in the ones place. Next we should multiply 4142 by 1. 1 2 the 2, 1 4 the 4, 1 1 the 1, 1 4 the 4. Next we should add both the numbers. 2, 5 plus 2 is 7, 8 plus 4 is 12, so I will write 2 here and 1 carry. 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 2 plus 4 is 6. Therefore, answer is equal to 66,272. Let's solve B1. Here we have to multiply 8148 by 19. First we should multiply 8148 by 9. 9 8 the 72. So I will write 2 here and 7 carry. 9 4 the 36. 36 plus 7 43. So I will write 3 here and 4 carry. 9 1 the 9, 9 plus 4 13, so I will write 3 here and 1 carry. 9 8 the 72, 72 plus 1 73. Before multiplying with the 10th digit of the multiplier, write multiplication sign in the ones place. Next we should multiply 8148 by 1. 1 8 the 8, 1 4 the 4, 1 1 the 1, 1 8 the 8. Next we should add both the numbers. 2, 3 plus 8 is how much? 3 plus 8 is 11, so I will write 1 here and 1 carry. 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, 3 plus 1 is 4, 7 plus 8 is 15. So the answer is 1,54,812. Let's solve C1. 3163 into 98. Here we have to multiply 3163 by 98. First, we have to multiply 3163 by 8. 8 threes are 24. So I will write 4 here and to carry. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 2 50. So I will write 0 here and 5 carry. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 5 13. So I will write 3 here and 1 carry. 8 threes are 24. 24 plus 1 25. Before multiplying with the 10th digit of the multiplier, write multiplication sign in the ones place. Next we should multiply 3163 by 9. 9 threes are 27. So I will write 7 here and 2 carry. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 2 56. So I will write 6 here and 5 carry. 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 5 14. So I will write 4 here and 1 carry. 9 threes are 27. 27 plus 1 28. Next we have to add both the numbers. 4. 0 plus 7 is 7. 3 plus 6 is 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. 2 plus 8 is 10. So I will write 0 here and 1 carry. 2 plus 1 is 3. So the answer is 3,09,974. Let's solve D1. 9076 into 63. Here we have to multiply 9076 by 63. First, we have to multiply 9076 by 3. 3 6 are 18. So I will write 8 here and 1 carry. 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 1 22. So I will write 2 here and 2 carry. 3 into 0 is 0. So 0 plus 2 2. 3 9s are 27. Before multiplying with the 10th digit of the multiplier, write multiplication sign in the ones place. Next we should multiply 9076 by 6. 6 6 are 36. So I will write 6 here and 3 carry. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 3 45. So I will write 5 here and 4 carry. 6 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. 6 9s are 54. Next we should add both the numbers. 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. So I will write 1 here and 1 carry. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. And write 5 as it is. So the answer is 5,71,788. Let's solve E1. 7,805 into 82. Here we have to multiply 7,805 by 82. So first we should multiply 7805 by 2. 2 5s are 10, so I will write 0 here and 1 carry. 2 into 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. 2 8s are 16, so I will write 6 here and 1 carry. 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 1 is 15. Before multiplying with the 10th digit of the multiplier, write multiplication sign in the ones place. Next we should multiply 7805 by 8. 8 5s are 40, so I will write 0 here and 4 carry. 8 into 0 is 0, 0 plus 4 is 4. 8 8s are 64, so I will write 4 here and 6 carry. 8 7s are 56, 56 plus 6, 62. Next we should add both the numbers. 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 6 plus 4 is 10, so I will write 0 here and 1 carry. 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, so I will write 0 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, and write 6 as it is. So the answer is 6,40,010. Today's homework: solve exercise 6C in that F, G, H, I and J in your maths notes.